Good morning, everyone. Hopefully all of you guys are good. I don't know what's going on with this intro page. Look at this. All right, well, now it's working. Dude, it wasn't working a minute ago. It was just stuck. All right, working now. Who knows? Who do we have first in the chat today? We have got Nick at first in the chat. Outdoor Smile, first and a half. Dark Bro, first and 3/4. We got Dark Bro, Bender, Dark Bro, Outdoor Bender, Chris, Dark Bro, Yankee, Dark Bro. Buy the dip. Yes, Dark Bro, man, you better buy that dip, dude, because look at the big red line on honorarium down there in the bottom left or bottom right, man. It is dipping down. Anybody gonna buy it back up? I want to see $1 million market cap again. Roulette wheel says honorarium is dipping. Dumping, not dipping. Dumping right there. We need more people here. Bender, I agree with you on that one. I have no idea where they're at. We need to get them in here. Having a bounce now, though. Hopefully it continues. Bender, hopefully it does, man. Dark Bro, Outdoor, Dark Bro, Roulette, Gorilla, Dark Bro, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. We have got, that's not the market, that's honorarium. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, down to $4.37. Down 4.27% on the day today. Shiba Inu coin, top right, stagnant right now. 963 points per coin. It is up a slight 1.8%. GameStop, bottom right, up 0.11%, $13.43. Bitcoin, sitting sideways right now, 0.11% higher on the day, 51,494. I'm telling you, man, this 50,800 level, it's very strong. So my line's at 50,750, but several times we have tested that 50,800 area, and it has bounced off every time. So we're going to have to see what Bitcoin decides to do today. The NASDAQ. Did you guys see the gain in the NASDAQ today? My goodness. I actually don't know what's driving that gain. We'll find out soon, I guess. Dogecoin sitting at 8.5 cents. Ethereum, 29.74, man. Ethereum just goes up and up and up. Shiba Inu coin, 962 points per coin. Bitcoin, 51,484. The SPY, 505. QQQ, 435. You got Mullen Auto down about 9-10% of the day today, $7.47. Sundial, $1.37. Netflix, $5.86. Highcroft Mining, $2. MPW, $3.72. It's down. But hey, man, it's up from those $3 levels that it was testing just, 2 weeks ago? Let me pull this out a little bit and see where we're at here on the daily. Yeah, a couple weeks ago, $3 levels being tested on MPW there, sitting nicely at $3.72. Tesla, $1.94. Amazon, $1.72, 2% gain there. And Apple, sitting at a 0.30% gain. So I don't know if it's Amazon or what. Could be Amazon. Is Microsoft doing well? Let's see. I don't know, it's up, yeah, it's up percent, but, it's Goog? Goog? Nah, 0.45. I don't know what's really driving, besides Amazon. I don't really know what would be driving the NASDAQ to such ridiculously high gains today. I mean, Amazon is up 2%, yeah, but I didn't think it was that heavily weighted. So if you guys know one of those tech stocks that might be ripping this morning, let us check it out, because NASDAQ is performing phenomenally at the moment. But of course, we're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen in the meantime, man. Who graced me with the green? Thank you. It was Shabro. Shabro hit you with a green yesterday, Gorilla. I believe it was Shabro hitting you with a green yesterday, man. Okay, NVIDIA. Yeah, I remember looking at NVIDIA after hours yesterday. Yeah. Oh my smoking. What is going on, man? Wow. It was at 7:20 after hours yesterday when we were watching it. Jeez Louise. All-time highs on NVIDIA, 15+% gains right there. Yeah, I forgot about that. Yesterday it was ripping higher, continued even higher this morning. Absolutely insane. NVIDIA up 15%, dude. Now a $2 trillion market cap. It is a $2 trillion company. Dude, if you don't think that people believe AI and computer and digital is the future, You're obviously not watching NVIDIA right now. That is a ridiculous price, and it is soaring, man. Honorarium Discord. Hit it, Pudgy. No idea. NVIDIA. Almost. Dude, you're in no idea. It looked like NVIDIA, man. So for everyone who does not know, Pole Chain Beta will be launching today. We will be able to take advantage of it here as soon enough. There's a lot of work right now for Honorarium. And let's make all that work count, dude. I want to see Honorarium sitting on a $10 million market cap. Oh my goodness, that'll look good. That'll look amazing, actually. Tark, bro, who is the owner of address 5050E9? Keep selling, and I try. Gosh, dude. Oh my goodness. I wish I was big screen on that one. A ladybug. I don't know where it went. A ladybug just ran. Alright, I don't see it. Oh, here it is. I do have proof. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Ladybug just cracked me in the ear, dude. I thought it was going into my brain. What the heck is going on? Stuff's ridiculous, man. Thought that ladybug was gonna go start sucking on my brain. Dork Bro, who's the owner of address 50E9? I think the owner of address 50E9 sent that ladybug to try and scare me as I was reading that roulette. Let's see. He keeps selling, and I tried to see how many honorarium he's holding, but it doesn't show on the list of holders. He could be holding hundreds of millions of honorarium. Roulette wheel? I'm not sure. Well, let's just see, man, if we've got some... It should show how much he's holding, right? Honorarium. Yeah. 50E9. Are you talking about the end? I don't know, I might have missed it. $50C? No, it's 50CAE. Dude, you sure you got the right address, man? I don't even see a 50E9. Roulette wheel's seeing things again. Or I'm just not seeing them. I don't know what's going on, man. Thank you, Shay, bro. Very much appreciated. Absolutely. Don't know if she's in here or not right now, but yes. It went through, I think. Pudgy. Talking about the Honorarium Discord or what there? J-Bones holding 0, man. That's crazy. Dark Bro, he's been in Honorarium for over 3 to 4 months. Dang, man. That's a long time. Must have been the rest of his, unless he has it in another wallet. Could be, but I don't even see his transaction. Oh, 02E9. I gotta go to the top. 02E9. Here's the culprit. What the heck's this guy got going on, man? 02E9. Nah, you boys not sitting on very much honorarium right now. I wouldn't worry about it. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you guys can see that. Yeah, he's not sitting on very much honorarium right now. So I don't know if he was selling, but I mean, maybe he'll buy back in, or maybe he just took his profit at this point. But 312,831. Roulette wheel. At this point, man, I don't know. I wouldn't worry. Don't know who he is, but I wouldn't be too worried about any more sell-offs or anything. I'll tell you right now, $300,000 or 300,000 honorarium sell-off wouldn't do too much. That's nothing to really worry about there. Nothing to really worry about there, in my opinion. A little 300,000 honorarium sell-off. As you guys can tell, I do have more than 300,000 honorarium. I do, man. 3E16. What do we got? 3E16. Is that a 3E16? 3E16. We got ourselves an accumulator here. What do we have? Ooh. We do have ourselves an accumulator here. 435 million honorarium. Smokes, man. You boys holding. You boys holding for sure on that one. $400 million. $316. Let's see this guy's transactions. Holders, yeah. 435. $316. Dang, man, this dude's a buyer. I mean, this dude ain't been messing around. 316. He's in. He's out. He's in. He's out. Hey, man, he takes some. He's a trader. Okay, let's put it that way. He's a trader with a lot of tokens right now. And I don't know if that's necessarily a concern. I don't know if he'll sell off or not, but he's definitely got a lot. That's for sure. 316 sells big but buys big too. Yeah, and you know what? I mean, the last, 10 transactions there were in transactions that you saw on 3E16, which is fine, right? I would hope that, people would buy and hold and buy and hold and buy and hold instead of buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell. But like I was saying yesterday, man, it's going to have to be bought and sold. There's going to have to be burns, and there's going to have to be money going back into that liquidity pool that isn't necessarily from a sell. So when you load that community pool back up, or that community pool, the liquidity pool back up, and it's not from direct sells, it's going to be better, and it's going to provide more opportunity for more people to come in and continue buying, which is what we need to see. So, yeah, it might be annoying if these guys buy big and sell big because we don't like the huge dips and stuff. But, hey, man, he is buying too. There's no denying that. Bitcoin bull flag on the daily. Maurice, let's check it out, man. Let's come out here to the daily on Bitcoin and see what we got going on so far. I can already picture it. Yeah, we might have a little bit of a bull flag forming here. So, I understand what you're saying with this pole potentially all the way from down here, or this pole, maybe a little bit more short term. But yes, it is possible that you've got yourself a nice bull flag forming on the daily chart for Bitcoin. We had a beautiful run that just ripped the price higher, and of course now we're consolidating slightly to the downside, and of course forming that flagpole pattern there. So, Maurice, I would say yes. The only thing I don't know about, okay, and technicals are great and everything, but they're not going to supersede fundamentals. And if all of these analysts do become correct, analysts are predicting a March pullback because of the interest rate decision, because of the bank lending program, and because of the reverse repo, creating a dollar liquidity issue that's going to cause people to stop buying and potentially sell some of their cryptocurrency to increase their liquidity in dollars, increase the amount of money that they have on hand. So, you got that bull flag potentially forming there, but just be very careful of the actual, fundamentals of the economy with the amount of dollars that are outstanding and the amount of dollars that are floating around. But yeah, you're right. Good pattern recognition on the bull flag on the daily. Yeah, he plays the market, which is fine, man. I mean, we can't tell people what to do with their money. Yeah, so wait till it's got better liquidity or could scare new people. I didn't get in as early as everyone else, so I see the scariness others see. The guy with 3 billion is no good, is what y'all think. I don't care. He should have sold early. You know what, Bender? I was thinking about that when I was talking about that yesterday a little bit in the live stream, and I don't know when you got into honorarium, right? I got in later than some of you guys that were getting in, below a $10,000 market cap and stuff like that. But I did get in at what I believe is a very decent price, and I'm willing to hold from that price. But I will say this, right? The guy that owns like 3 billion honorarium, yes, that is an obscene amount. 30% of the supply is crazy. But I don't know who it is. I think Dark Bro knows who it is. I'm not necessarily that concerned if that dude is honestly willing to work with Dark Bro to build that coin up. So for example, when you see a lot of these pre-sales or you see a lot of these bigger tokens out there, they might throw 25% into the liquidity pool. They set aside 25% to pay people to market their coin. They set aside 25% for centralized exchanges, and they set aside 25% for additional rewards or whatever. So with that being said, right? I know between Dark Bro and that guy and some of you guys that are actually whales in honorarium, I would say anybody above PancakeSwap, it would be considered a whale in honorarium, especially, the number 1 and number 2 wallet there. If the guy's willing to work with Dark Bro and help build it up, I absolutely believe that those funds could be used to better honorarium. So if MEXC or Bybit or one of these little reputable exchanges does want to list honorarium, and they're going to require some honorarium to list it, I mean, at that point, these guys got to think, all right, well, shoot, we are the honorarium whales. We're holding, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% of the total supply between the 10 of us. If we all go in a little bit, or if we all hit it with a portion, and maybe we give MEXC 100 million honorarium, maybe they'll list us. And dude, even, look, and I'm not saying this, right, because I know that guy's got a lot, but it is his money. He can do whatever the heck he wants with it. One thing that wallet has to realize is they can't sell all of their honorarium. They can't do that, right? Because there's only $30,000 in the liquidity pool, and at $1 million market cap, they're sitting on $300,000 in value. But they'll never be able to withdraw all of that money because they do hold such a large portion. There's never going to be enough money in that liquidity pool to go out there and withdraw all of it. So then it has to become smart money. It essentially has to be used for, either centralized exchanges, marketing, something along those lines. It doesn't have to go back to the liquidity pool. It doesn't have to drop the price of honorarium by selling it. But, dude, could you imagine? If that wallet was willing to give up 100 million honorarium to MEXC, MEXC gets it listed. What if it goes up to a $5 million market cap from there? That guy misses out on 1% of honorarium, right? He gives up essentially 1% of his honorarium, but he just 5x'd. Now, instead of sitting on $300,000, he's sitting on $1.5 million worth of honorarium at that point. He still can't sell it, okay? Because at that point, there's still only, I don't know what the number would be, $100,000, $150,000 in the liquidity pool. So he still can't go out there and sell everything. Yes, he could start shaving, but to me, that wallet doesn't scare me, okay? As long as that wallet and as long as all of you whales, I know there's a lot of whales in here. I know there's a lot of you guys that are above PancakeSwap. If you're willing to be smart with it, I'm telling you right now, dude, once you realize, I guess, you can't actually withdraw the total value because you're going to destroy the liquidity pool, at that point you realize, well, shoot, dude, that stuff's not even real anyway. Yeah, man, let's bring MEXC on. Let's bring Bybit on. Huobi, Pionex, whatever exchanges you guys want to contact. I think you'd be going good. You got it, Gorilla. Heck yeah, Shay, bro. Thank you for the green name gift, Dark Bro. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, you got it. Oh, bro, I get it. Trust me. I don't think about it. But I will say it's one thing. Some people are unfamiliar with how liquidity percentages work. Most of, if not all, have 4 to 7% of their overall market liquidity, so we are perfectly in line. Yeah. Clipper doubled up on Jasmine and moved it to Spell. Obviously not financial advice, but stupidity. Buy Spell now. So wait now, you doubled up to Jasmine. You doubled up on your Jasmine. Does that mean you bought twice as much Jasmine? I haven't looked at Jasmine today, so I don't know if it's ripping or not. Or you sold all your Jasmine and moved it to Spell. Transferred it to Spell. What do we got? Even if the guy has good intentions, it doesn't look good from the spread. Exactly. No, JB, I get that right there. You might know the guy personally, but new investors don't know, and they're not going to trust. Absolutely, man. Which is why I think that money needs to be smart money. Not necessarily broken down into 100 different wallets or whatever, where each wallet is then holding 0.3% of the supply instead of, a total 30 or whatever. But, yeah, I mean, that money could absolutely be used now to bring in new people, which is what we want to see. Right? And hey, you guys might have people out there that are like, oh yeah, dude, I'll hit an Instagram post for $1 million honorarium. I'll do a YouTube video for $1 million honorarium. And dude, when you're looking at 3 billion into $1 million, you're talking thousands of pieces of marketing content that people might be willing to get out there. You're looking at exchanges, man. So yeah, I know you guys know what you're doing. I'm not worried about it, right? So I know what you guys know what you're doing, but yeah. When TF did Shay get promoted? When I was born, Budgie. Clay's sister always gets a wrench. I don't know, man. Theoretically, I could take it away, right? Point was, it's a scary look. I'm still holding. No, I agree with that, man. I do agree. Missing a lot here. It's all right, Pudgy. I'm coming back down into the chat. We'll get it. Sold Jasmine and moved it into Spell. All right, let's see what Jasmine's doing. Jasmine is a hot topic nowadays. Jasmine is a hot topic nowadays, dude. Matt Perry, I was watching his videos this morning. Matt Perry is just ripping on Jasmine right now, man, and people are eating it up. People are loving those videos. But I don't know where it's at today. I haven't looked at it. 1.6 cents. $820 million market cap, continuing to go up. Be very, very careful. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine, I don't know, guys. Might be double topping up here. You got to watch out for it. Had a pretty big pullback from that 1.9 cents back down to 1.4 cents. Might not look like a big pullback because the rally has been so nice. But, dude, that's nearly a 20% decline right there. So, just watch out. That is a much larger pullback. Why isn't he listed on the honorarium holders? Who? Roulette wheel? Are you talking about the top 2 wallets combined own the 30%? Clay, Aventus, AVT had a huge day yesterday. Nobody talked about it. Everybody was talking about Jasmine. That they were, man. I didn't talk about Jasmine, but everybody else was. AVT. Down a little bit today, down 10% on the day right now. But, oh, yeah, dude. Yesterday, very, very nice day with huge volume, dude. Look at this. Going from $50,000 in volume, spiking up to $12 million in volume. Going from $1.47 to over $3 per share. Going from a nice little $6 million market cap to a $13 million market cap. So, dude, these ladybugs are going to kill me. These, yeah, I don't know what the huge spike in volume was from, man. Did it get listed on Coinbase yesterday? If it got listed on Coinbase yesterday, I could see why you would have such a huge increase in price. Does anybody know, Giovanni? Do you know if Aventus got listed on Coinbase yesterday? I found the wallet. They only bought 16 million honorarium and sold it all. So they're gone. They haven't been siphoning anything. I'll check it out, Caesar. Something. Try to uphold. Not sure, though, the listing process, but they're always listing new tokens. Very nice, man. I think that wallet could make it a gift. I think that wallet should make it a gift and equally distribute to the bros. Socialism. 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 Well, we know. Never mind, guys. I'm not going to turn it into anything like that. I'm messing with you, Pudgy. I'm messing with you. And you know, that's also kind of what I was alluding to as well. Airdrops, right? Pudgy, airdrops are also something that could inspire new investors. And if that wallet did want to do something like that, he could distribute, you know, maybe take a snapshot. First 100 holders got an airdrop. First 1,000 holders get an airdrop. And maybe he airdrops 100 million to the first 1,000 holders. These are all things and incentives to drive new holders to honorarium that could absolutely work. So I don't know, man. It's not my money. Clearly, I wouldn't want to give it away, but at the same time, right? I mean, if you're sitting on $300,000 worth of honorarium and there's only 300 or 30,000 in the liquidity pool, you can't really take advantage of all $300,000 in honorarium. Solana version would be its own thing. You're talking about honorarium on Solana, right? Let's see. NFT project and profits are added to liquidity. I know I might be missing something, guys. It isn't true. I looked at the address 50E9 2 days ago, and he wasn't listed either, and he still was able to sell yesterday. All I know is he is in some kind of a Binance wallet. Well, I didn't even see 50E9 on there. It was another wallet that I looked at, 50E9. Oh, Dark Bro just pasted it. Maybe it was something else. I don't know. Hey, I had another thought on Pixel. They were launched on Binance, so would Binance be the liquidity pool? Maybe there's a separate liquidity pool with the $200,000 there, and the rest is on the centralized exchange. Yeah, let's see. Because, dude, like that is a ridiculous. All right, so they're launched on. I don't even see the Binance network here listed on CoinMarketCap. I see Ronin, but I don't even know what Ronin is. And then Ethereum. So I don't know if these guys, I don't know where they would be on Binance. This one? Yeah, I don't know, man, because this looks like a terrible graph. Hourly chart, man, dude. They pumped and then dumped hard. Wow, man. It pumped up from 4 zeros and a 2 to 2 zeros and a 1. 50x gain. And then dumped down to 10 zeros. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with that right there. I mean, you would imagine that would be the liquidity pool, but I don't know if that looks right there. And I don't understand how they have a liquidity pool with $243,000 locked in it and then a market cap of $83,000. That doesn't make any sense at all. Let's see. 50E9 address history with honorarium goes back 3 to 4 months, so it really is suspicious. Is maybe somebody's buying with another wallet and then sending it to the 50E9 and then selling it from the 50E9 roulette wheel? Would somebody be buying on a different wallet, sending it to the 50E9 and then selling it on the 50E9 one? Roulette wheel, I keep poking at it. It might just do it out of spite. Maybe, man. Never know. Who's going to win in multi-chain tech? Paul? Avalanche? Cosmos? Yeah, Peter, I don't know, man. I think that Paul chain is much, much smaller than the other two that you mentioned there. So I don't know if they're necessarily going to win out, but I think that they have much more potential at that point because they are so much smaller. So, dude, I mean, if they're able to do something there, the potential could be bigger for them because they've got a much, much smaller market cap. Dark Bro, we add our first charity. Let's do an NFT project with a charity theme and split the proceeds to the charity and to the liquidity pool. Pew, pew, pew. Dead Horse Jib, keep in mind, I don't understand NFTs. Kalito, it's all right, man. It's all right. There's always money, and when there's money, money can be split, right? Hi, Clay and the rest of the bros. 38 watching, 17 likes. Is your like button broken? Their like buttons are broken, dude. They never click the like button, and I don't know why. It's got to be the most liked stream on the internet, but nobody cares to click the like button. Peter, my money's on Paul winning. Oh, Dark Bro's got Paul right there. Pff, buttons. Michael, click it. Click it, man. Click it or ticket. Don't people that help fund a new liquidity pool on a DEX take a percentage of every transaction? That would be a good investment for the whales. There's always money in the banana stand. there is always money in the banana stand until you burn it down. Then there's no more money in the banana stand. So once you burn the banana stand down, that is, you're screwed at that point. So, yeah, there would be money in the banana stand. Don't burn it down. And you know what? I don't know. So, like, if they help fund a new liquidity pool, I'm sure that there are transaction taxes where they can get some money back from that. So, yeah, dude, like liquidity farming and all of that stuff that they have out there, when you provide that liquidity, you do make a nice return, of course, if that liquidity is used. So, JB, that is also an option. Dude, there's a lot of options for a lot of people out there to do a lot of things. So, you guys are definitely on it. You know the options. You know the routes. And I think you guys are going to be good with it, man. How much does land in the metaverse cost nowadays? Outdoor Smile, which metaverse you talking about? Canxium, CAU, it did great for me. Time to sell. You need to see the plays. Let's see. CAU for Giovanni. Smokes, man. This dude, Giovanni, you love these little $1 to $10 million market cap coins, and you absolutely tear the game up, dude. My goodness. When did you get in, man? When did you get in? This was a phenomenal performer here all of February. Man. Where did you get in at? Did you get in on MEXC? I don't even see this listed on Uniswap or anything. Safe trade? Giovanni, using MEXC. Get yourself a little VPN going. What's happening here? How you get in on that? Michael Allen! Thank you very much for the super chat. Michael says, Shib. Sell that junk and buy honorarium. Not financial advice. Fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, baby Michael Allen! Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it right now, dude. And yeah, never financial advice, but sell that and buy HRM. Do it. Do it. If I see 50 E9 dump again, I'm selling my honorarium. Whole 60 or so. 60 coins? Dang, man. I don't want to be into something where my questions can't be answered. I feel you. I feel you. I don't know. I don't even see where 5089 is, though. Or 50E9. I don't even see where that wallet is. Let's see. Helps the holder count, too. Yes, it does. Got in around $5. Giovanni ripping it up, man. My goodness. 3+X gains, absolutely destroying it in Canxium, CAU, $5 price point, ribbing it up to $18. Dude, if you just sold, congratulations, man. That is absolutely awesome. I'm glad you did that, dude. SHIB. That's a weird way to spell honorarium. Yes, it is. Doesn't even have all the right letters in there. Let's see. That is the elephant in the room. 50E9. I searched for hours and hours. Let's find out. I didn't even see 50E9 on the list of sells though, so that is weird. But it might be on there, man. I really don't know the answer to it. 50. No, I want all holders. You said he doesn't show up on the list of holders though, right? I don't want to go through all these if he doesn't show up. Yeah, if he's not going to show up, I'm not going to go through him if there's no holders there. No sense in that, but there is sense in Giovanni sharing all of his trades with me because I certainly want to make 3x gains like Giovanni makes 3x gains. 50 E9s, Gary's BBs. Is it? I don't know if it is or not, man. Let's see. Thanks. I digged into more NFTs, though, so I didn't cash out. JB, you didn't buy any of those Shiboshis, did you? Dude, I don't know if you guys saw that, right? But the Shiboshis, okay, for 6 minutes, the team essentially went in and got their Shiboshis for free. And then after the 6 minutes, you guys can see him complaining all day long on Shib Token Twitter accounts, or X accounts feed on their latest post. After they went in and minted 700, 800 per wallet for free, they changed that bug. And then people are like, I can't afford to mint one of these Shiboshis. It cost me like $500 to $1,500 in network fees to mint one of those Shiboshis. Dude, the team went out there, minted all that they could for free for 5 minutes, fixed the error, and then started charging people thousands of dollars to mint. Why? That thousands of dollars didn't go to the team. The thousands of dollars stopped people from minting. Okay? They knew that. They understood that. Which simply means that now they are going to own all of the Shiboshis. And now it's a direct sale of those Shiboshis from their personal wallets to you on OpenSea for hundreds of dollars or maybe even thousands of dollars per Shiboshi. So, yeah, dude, Scam 101, Shib team really wrecked a lot of people on that one. Oh, I got a ladybug crawling across the screen, so I can't see what Giovanni said. Also, I'm waiting on Purple AI, PAI, bought around $1 something. Let's look it up. Roulette wheel. I'm going to get in on the hunt. Do it, Pudgy. Clay, 50 E9 sold on 221 and 2132. Dang, dude. I must have missed that the first time around. Yeah, I don't see this guy sitting on any honorarium right now. It's going to pull up the same thing. $89,000. 8 million, that was a... Yeah, that was a big sale there. Is that symbol always showing up on here? Yeah, that's a... Oh, that's the same one we just looked at. 7 million. Well, yeah, okay, so I see that they only ever sold 7 and 8 million, so it would be around 16 million in total transactions that they ever had there. Oh, that was an... No, that's an odd transaction. And then they bought, so... They bought... Well, dude, that's all I ever see was 2 days ago. Roulette wheel. If you're looking at that wallet, I see their first honorarium transaction was right here. What I see is 2 days ago. They bought 7.5 million, which I don't know exactly how many hundreds of dollars that would have been when it was running on CoinMarketCap. They bought 7.5. It probably went up in price either that day or, maybe they bought leading into the CoinMarketCap listing. I don't know exactly what happened almost 2 days, 48 hours ago. 48 minutes ago, sorry. And then they sold their 7.5 million. Looks like they got rid of like all of it. And then they came in an hour later. Maybe it dipped. And then they bought 8.9 million honorarium. And then they sold their 8.9 million right here. And now they hold... Now they hold 0. I think they literally bought it and then they bought like 7 point whatever million, sold it, and then they bought 8.9 million and sold all that. Based on what I see, right? That's based on what I see in their wallet right there. I don't see it going back to 3 months though. That's all their... If you look at token transfers, BEP20, right? And then you click view all of their transactions. They only got 2 pages of transactions. This wallet's only got a total of 87 transactions found though. I see their like total wallet transactions. And their first BNB transaction going back 64 days. But the first time I see them buy honorarium was 2 days ago. 2 days and 50 minutes ago. That's the first time I see it, man. You might be looking at something else that I'm looking at, but that's the last time I see it. Kobu, praying for you. Look up Marcus Enninger in orange. He is a natural doctor and may be able to help. He is a genius. There you go. Kombu, man. I didn't even see Kombu come in the chat right here. What's going on with Kombu? Hey, bros, I could really use some support today. Nothing but bad news from the neurologist. Said I'm at high risk of sudden death and no more options for medications. Miracles can happen, Kombu. You got some bros that are praying for you. So just know that miracles can happen, dude. And bad news, all those tests, they turn into testimonies. Okay, so don't be afraid to share them when you've got them, man. Michael Allen. Mike says, Kombu, I got your back. No bully on Kombu, baby. Never bully on Kombu. Today is Kombu Day. 2/22/24 is Kombu Day. We got ourselves a fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Bump. Going out to Kombu, man. Huge fist bump to you. Never bully Kombu. Never. I like it, Michael Allen. I like it. And you know what, Roulette Wheel? I could be looking at the wrong thing, though. I could be looking at something completely different than what you're looking at. That's all I see when I click on that guy's wallet. Purple AI, bought it at $1. I'll tell you about these coins, but but you think I don't do research. I don't even care if you do research, Giovanni. I don't even care if you do research. At this point, every single one that you buy, you hit, man. I'll just throw my money at you, and it's gonna stick. PAI. Purple. You bought this coin at $1? Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, look at this weekly gain. What is happening with this 5x gain, man? Oh my gosh. Wow, dude. Did they get listed? Where did the $1 million in volume come from? Just people getting interested, I guess. Snap, man. Well, this is a weird little website. Huh. It's a weird little website. Weird little website. Oh, you guys didn't even see it. You see him big clay. Weird little website. They brought massive gains to Giovanni. Let's see. I will always answer your questions, anything and everything I can. Just because I don't see it, like Clay, it doesn't mean I'm ignoring you. Heck yeah. Oh, hold on. This one's for Kombu. I know this one's for Kombu. Kombu, I see you. I see you, Kombu. And thank you. JB sends a mustache. Thank you very much, Kombu. Roulette wheel. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. One more. Keep it up. I will always keep it up, roulette wheel. Nork bro, I see you. I see you sending a mustache to Kombu. I see another mustache, a dark bro. I see you sending to Kombu. We got one for Kombu. And another little mustache. Another mustache coming through for Kombu. Kombu, you are loved. Kombu's got many, many friends now, including Mr. Mustache. Kombu, man, everybody's throwing out. Dark bro throwing out another mustache for Kombu. Kombu, all of these mustaches. Yes. Kombu, man, everybody throwing mustaches out there for you. Love all around right now. Purple AI only has a 1 million supply. Yeah, and it's sitting at an $12 million market cap right now. Giovanni, you absolutely killed that one. Let's see. I think Clay needs a smoke after that weight session. Dude, I'm telling you right now, it was tough. It was a lot harder than you thought it was. JB, sending another mustache. A mustache to Kombu. Kombu, I see you with the mustache. And Dark Bro throwing out another mustache. Dark Bro, thank you. Kombu, we all see you. Kombu, man, everybody's throwing the mustaches out there for you today, man. Yes. I mean, I might as well just do perma-stash, man. J-Bones hit a mustache. J-Bones, thank you very much. Throwing a mustache to Kombu, we all see you. The bros that want the mustache. Thank you very much, J-Bones, for the mustache. Everybody hitting Kombu's mustache. J-Bones, he's got another mustache. J-Bones throwing out a mustache for Kombu. Kombu, we see you. Kombu, man, thank you J-Bones, thank you very much for the mustache for Kombu, man. Absolutely. Yeah, Delamiro, man, I have no idea where Giovanni finds them, but Giovanni finds these little coins, usually between around a $5 million market cap, but this one he found a little early, I guess. Between like a $1 and $10 million market cap, and those last two absolutely hit, man. Tripling his money on the first one and 10xing his money on that second one. Dude, Giovanni is absolutely balling, man. Balling. Shave everything but your stash live. Okay, I'm done. I did feel like shaving the mustache this morning, but I didn't do it because I can start to feel it, you know? I can feel it a little bit there. But, so maybe I'll shave today, and then maybe like the afternoon live stream. Not all the way down. I'm not going like clean skin. But like maybe I'll clear this out and then leave like just a dark mustache. If it's so hideous that I can't even stand to look at myself, we're not going to end up doing it. But yeah, maybe since it's Kombu Day, 2/22/24, since it's Kombu Day, maybe we have mustache in the afternoon stream. I don't know. Also, all in all, I spent $7,000 to start it, which is all the money I had saved at the time. So trust me, I get it. Yeah, dude, it's getting thicker. Clicking to have a handlebar stash by tomorrow. Thanks, bros. It is getting thicker, dude. It's not even the lighting. It's getting thicker as we speak. Like, we're sitting here, and the stash is getting even thicker. Roulette seems to be driving yourself crazy. If you're a hoarder, can't get mad when it dips. It's a new coin. There's going to be plenty of ups and downs. And there's a lot of ups and downs in Honorarium. That is a fact, man. Always, Kombu. Heck yeah, man. Just to make sure. Michael Allen. Always making sure. This is the third opinion. Dang, man. Well, get a fourth opinion, Kombu. Kombu, you seem good to me, though, man. Hopefully SST Smart Set token does well also. On X, their developers said they just signed with L-Bank. SST. This was the 240. Yeah. All right. Well, they've had a very nice day so far today. Going from that $240,000 market cap that we were looking at yesterday to a $260,000 market cap. They probably did just sign with L-Bank because apparently they've already signed with MEXC down here. And seemingly, all of the volume, you might only be able to get them on Uniswap at the moment. I don't know if you can actually trade them on MEXC right now or not. I don't have MEXC, so I wouldn't be able to tell. But, yeah, man. Seems like you might only be able to get them on Uniswap right now. But nonetheless, dude, if they're hitting L-Bank, if they're hitting MEXC, if they're hitting all these little exchanges up, yeah, they could do something, dude. So, Smart Set Token. Psh. What are you doing? That's not what I just clicked on. Yeah, so these guys have been around for just about the exact same amount of time as Honorarium as well. Got a lot locked on the liquidity, hopefully locked in the liquidity pool there. Decent buy and sell tax though, 5% buy and 5% sell. Solid community score, dude. Look at this. With 100 votes too. Dang, man, that's a big one. That's what. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah, you get some decent sized transactions coming in here. Not a ton of volume, but the guys that are trading it do seem to be bigger volume. What are these guys going to do, Giovanni? Is this something I should buy? 2%. Nah, I don't know about $5,000 worth. Hey, Giovanni, I don't know, man. Maybe I'll grab a little SST there. You've been winning on everything else, man. I want to win with you. Rest ready to cash out and buy. Luckily, Clay answered my question. Some just completely buy in and out. Strange, but true. It is very strange, man. It is very strange. And, you know, that guy may have made his 10%. I'll tell you this. If I didn't know what honorarium was, and I've done this with other Solana tokens, right? If I didn't know what honorarium was, I would probably think that I was going to see some sort of a pump and a dump. Same way that I've done with some of those Solana tokens. I've gotten in, I've seen a very, very quick 20 to 30% gain, and then I've gotten out. And, you know, it's just because I don't trust these little tokens that are just created and just begin trading. So it could have been what that guy was doing, man. He may have gotten in, gotten out, got in again, got right back out, and hit his little 10 to 30% gains and called it a day. Clay is going to be a 2-finger mustache. That's a big one, man. That is a big one. Anyone in TSL, remember, aftermarket close, today is a 2-for-1 reverse split. All right, very good to know, Frank. Hopefully, they don't dump off in price because of that 2-for-1 reverse split. So yeah, guys. Let's see. Oh, that's Giovanni's with his SST up there. Ryoshi just posted on X that mainnet is coming soon. For the Ryoshi Layer 2 blockchain that burns Shiba Inu coin and uses Shiba Inu coin as gas. Is that what you're talking about, Chris? Other holders had concerns about 59, but now the issues have been resolved. I like it, Roulette Wheel. I have an issue with every sell. Me too, man. Me too. But every sell creates a dip buying opportunity for those that want lower prices. Well, being wheeled into the OR. See you all at 4 p.m. Biggable. I didn't even know Biggable was going to the operating room today. Biggable, man. I don't want to say enjoy it, but we will be waiting here for you when you get out, man. Tell your doctor I said what's up, and he's going to do a great job. No worries for you. No worries for your family. Everybody in there, top notch. You got this, man. You got this, Biggable. Let's see. Good luck, bro. Heck yeah, Gary. Search. You hope nothing major. For sure, man. Hope it goes well, Gary. It will go well, guys. Majority of new coins to come out and never make it beyond to the first year. So investors in these coins need to do their own research or they could lose their whole bag. And I've lost bags before, man. Chris, yes. Well, sweet, dude. I hope it hits the main net very, very soon. And I hope that we start to see a massive amount of Shiba Inu coin burned and a massive amount of Shiba Inu coin used. Let's see here. It's not a scam. I wouldn't have made it past the first week. Yeah, I mean, definitely not. Let's see. L2 incoming. Let's kick Shy, Lucy to Crappy, not Da Vinci, and Cal to the curb. Woof, woof. Hey, man, you know, if they're only there because people use what they sell. If people begin to use what Ryoshi's got, or this Ryoshi Layer 2, and they stop using Shibarium, they stop buying from the ecosystem team, their time will have expired, I guess. It's as easy as that. I've been around here for a long time now. We've already established that's not what this is. Heck yeah, man. Start loading up on Stacks and Tezos. STX and Tezo. Dude, loading up on Stacks at all-time highs, Giovanni, huh? Loading up on Stacks, that's a little risky, no? Dang. Because Stacks is at an all-time high right now, ain't it? Yeah, 259. Dude, wouldn't you love to get Stacks down here at 20 cents and now seeing it at 259? I would say yes on that, but I don't know if I can buy Stacks at 259, man. I really don't. Guys, it's time for so long, but I'll sing just one more song. Thanks for being a bro. I want you to know that you're the best, better than the rest. Get your name in that chat so I can do a big old shout out. Alright, guys, get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs right now. Roulette Wheel says, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the water. Thank you very much for the hydration. Roulette Wheel, I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much for everything today, guys. Keeping the chat going, keeping the chat awesome. Had a great time. Everybody go load up on Stacks and Tezos because Giovanni says so. That's all you need to know, man. We'll do the shout-outs, and we'll be back this afternoon. Aiden, man, see you later. Chris, enjoy your afternoon. Dark Bro, see you later. Giovanni, Chris, man, have a great one. Frank, Giovanni, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Gorilla, have a great afternoon, man. Master, see you later. Shay, bro. Willie, do it. Gorilla, Kalido, Mark, Kalani, J-Bone, see you later, man. Old Rounder, Michael Allen, Giovanni, Bender, SD, later to you. Roulette Wheel, Dark Bro. Thank you very much. When honorarium update video? That's when honorarium update video. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I don't know when honorarium update video, so we'll have to see about that. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Kombu. This day is the day of Kombu, 2/22/24. Kombu, man, thank you very much. Hopefully all is well, man. Suzuki, see you later. Peace out to everybody, Kombu. Outdoor smile. Closing time. One last call for alcohol. Whoa. So finish your lemonade. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. I don't condone the ingestion of alcohol or any related beverage there, Outdoor Smile. But thank you very much for the beautiful song. I do appreciate it. Yankee Man, Outdoor Smile, thank you. Pudgy, see you later. Dark Bro, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.